How to change Apple ID photo. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on your name on top of your screen. Further, tap on the personal information option you see there and then go ahead and tap on the edit button you see there right under your existing profile picture. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to make all the changes on your profile picture. So simply go ahead and choose if you want to add in your new profile picture from your camera roll, or if you want to take a photo immediately, or if you want emojis, memojis, monogram, or if you simply want it from the recents. Once you are done choosing your profile picture, simply tap on it and then tap on the choose option and further move and scale if required, and then tap on the done option. And with this, as you can see, the profile picture has been changed. So this was about how you can change your Apple ID photo. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.